Meaning of Greek salad.
Greek salad.
Greek salad.
Greek salad.
Greek salad. Greek salad is a type of salad that originated in Greece and typically consists of ingredients such as tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, feta cheese, olives, and a dressing made with olive oil and lemon juice. The salad is known for its fresh and tangy flavors and is often served as a side dish or a light meal. The combination of juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, briny olives, and creamy feta cheese creates a delicious balance of textures and flavors. It's a healthy and refreshing option that's popular all over the world.